Oh my god, it's so hot. Alright, let's cut through the noise. You've probably been down the YouTube rabbit hole, gear reviews, camera comparisons, lighting breakdowns, and suddenly filmmaking feels like this massive, expensive, complicated thing. But it's not. Here are the only 3 things you actually need to start making films, and one of them is free. Number 1, a story worth telling. That's it. Not a Hollywood script, not some dramatic thriller with plot twists and explosions, just a story. Something real, honest, a conversation you overheard, a moment you can't stop thinking about, so much so that you just have to express it. The first rule of filmmaking: make us feel something. Doesn't matter how long or how short it is. If it's real, it's worth filming. Number 2, something to shoot with. Phone, DSLR, webcam, whatever. Don't get caught up in the "I need the best camera" trap, because phones today shoot 4K, they shoot in log, they do slow-mo. You've already got a filmmaking tool in your pocket. What matters more than what you shoot on? How you shoot, the composition, the light, movement. Point your camera at something interesting and tell it with intention. That's way more powerful than any lens you can buy. Number 3, the will to finish. Honestly, this one's the hardest. Anyone can start a film. Very few people finish one. You kind of get halfway through editing and suddenly it doesn't feel good enough, so you stop. Yeah, I'm sure it sounds familiar. I've done it so many times. Well, you've got to learn to finish your bad films before you can make good ones. Because finishing is a skill, and every time you do it, you level up, even if the final result is a little bit rough. So let me give you one bonus tip. Sound matters more than your visuals. Yep, people forgive grainy or shaky footage, but they will not forgive terrible audio. So if you do spend a little money, start with a mic, even a cheap one. Your audience's ears will thank you. So to sum it up, a story, a camera, any camera, and the grit to finish what you start. You don't need a film school degree, you don't even need 10k worth of gear. You just need the courage to start. And in the next video, I'll break down what gear is actually worth buying and what's just hype. Trust me, I've already made the mistakes, so you do not have to. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which of these 3 things do you need to work on the most right now?